Hey MTS crew, what's going on, y'all? I hope it's all good in the neighborhood. Welcome to the 12 Days of Christmas Cake Bake Off. 12 Days of Christmas. And this is hashtag HAPI. So we're going to do some holiday baking, and we're going to do it for the 12 days of Christmas. And I'm going to kick it off, y'all. And after I kick it off, please look at the rest of the participants and enjoy their cake recipes and make them. Try to make the cake recipes, and y'all give them support. Y'all watch their videos to the end. Don't just subscribe and don't watch. I told you that's very important. And those of us who are monetized, please y'all go ahead and watch the ads attached to each video. That's like giving us a gift, right? So let's do that. So I am going to make an eggnog pound cake. Eggnog pound cake is my favorite cake. I love eggnog, and so does my husband. So I'm going to have a rich, delicious eggnog pound cake. So y'all, let's get this kicked off. 12 days of Christmas, y'all. Hashtag HAPI. Let's get it going. Okay, MTS crew, let's go ahead and get with our eggnog pound cake. Absolutely delicious. We're going to cream some butter first. We're going to cream 2.5 sticks of butter. Okay, that's about 2.5 sticks of butter. Okay, let's go ahead and cream the sugar, y'all. Hold on one second. Okay, y'all, we have 2.5 cups of sugar, but I went ahead and added 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, let's get that in there. Okay. Let's go ahead and get this cream. Let's go ahead and scrape the bowl down. Okay, we're going to do 6 eggs, one at a time. Okay. Now we're going to go ahead and start adding our flour. Okay. Okay, y'all, in the flour, I have 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. Okay. We're going to go ahead and add half of a 8-ounce container of sour cream. Okay, now we're gonna start adding our eggnog, but I'm not gonna put my flavoring in this. I'm gonna put it in my cup of eggnog. So let me get the vanilla flavoring. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna put 1.5 teaspoons of eggnog inside of my vanilla flavoring. And remember, we already have the nutmeg in the cake. We're gonna stir this, okay? Okay. Let's go ahead and scrape the bowl down. I wish you all could smell this eggnog in this cake. Okay, I have a little bit more left. We don't want to over beat this cake because we don't want the cake dense. We want it light and fluffy. Okay. Okay. This is how I like my batter to look for my pound cake. Okay. Let's get our pan greased and floured, and we're going to put the cake in our pan. We're going to put this in a 325-degree oven for 1 hour and 20 minutes. This is a very fragrant cake. I mean, it smells so good, y'all. Shake it to get all the air bubbles out. Get it smooth. 325 degrees. Preheated oven. Okay, let's take it to the stove, y'all. Okay, y'all, we're going to make a little glaze to go on top of this cake. I have 1.5 cups of powdered sugar. I have a 4 teaspoons of nutmeg. I have a 1 block of cream cheese. I'm going to cream this together. Then I'm going to add some more eggnog to this. Let's do about 2 teaspoons of eggnog.
You ain't yourself.
Okay, y'all. Let's go with another teaspoon. I want it a little thinner. I mean tablespoon. I want it a little thinner, y'all. You can smell the vanilla in this. Okay, y'all. There it is. Here's my glaze for my cake. And I like to put this on warm while the cake is not hot, but the cake is warm. Okay, cake should be out in a little while, y'all. Okay, MTS crew, the cake is ready and it's still warm, and I like to put my drizzle on there. I call it my drizzle while it's still warm, so it can kind of seep down in there. And you also can take a toothpick and put holes in it. Now, it didn't stay in the oven because sometimes you have to gauge your oven, so it didn't stay in the oven as long as I thought. So in my oven, it was 1 hour and 12 minutes. So, but just check your oven, and if your toothpick come out clean, that means your cake is already ready. Okay, so let's put some of this drizzle on it. And you can see the nutmeg in it. Now this is gonna be a delicious, delicious cake. Let me turn this around. You know, you only have, I know the stores only sell eggnog during the holidays. And I remember when I was a little girl, my mom used to always make her own homemade eggnog. So back in then, you know what was in it, right? And with this cake right here, if you want to put about maybe a half a cup of rum inside of the frosting, you can also do that. Delicious eggnog pound cake with cream cheese icing. Absolutely delicious. Delicious eggnog pound cake, y'all, with cream cheese frosting and eggnog to boot. Merry Christmas, y'all. Merry 12 days of Christmas. I hope you enjoy this cake. I hope you enjoy this recipe. And please let me know down below. Hashtag HAPI 12 Day of Christmas Bake Off. Mama T's Cake. Okay, y'all, ready to cut this cake? Let's do this. Cut a small piece. Y'all didn't cut it deep enough, but that's okay. Let's have a taste. Y'all, this is so light and fluffy. Y'all, this is delicious. Delicious, y'all. Eggnog pound cake. Delicious. Thank y'all. Hashtag HAPI 12 Days of Christmas Bake Off.